Hey guys, so I just got back and I looked into the mirror and I noticed, look at my lips. It's so red, right? So I was wondering what did I do to it. I did not apply anything. Neither is it a filter. Neither did I kiss anyone. So take a look, it's so red. This is not a filter and this is how red the actual red color is. And my lips is so red. So it turns out it's because I actually drank this Thai milk tea. And then it's orange, and then I drank the whole thing and I came back, my lips is red. Can you imagine the amount of colorings that you're swallowing? It's just crazy. So I might be limiting my Thai milk tea outside next time. See? This is red, this is just colored, dyed liquid. Scary, right? Yeah.